Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I have a Sip Spy box to open with you. I think this is my third one. Yeah, my third one. And I just like to show you guys what I get. It's just fun and you get to see what comes in it. So, alright, so this is catered to me because it says made for Melissa. So that's really cool. They do have a survey, a pretty good size survey, where you tell them the sort of things that you like. The different types of teas. There's teas on there that I've never even heard of and I don't even know what they are. But with this subscription, you can make it really specific. Maybe you only like black tea or only like green tea. Or, like me, I'm exploring them because by doing this survey, I realized that there's so much different kinds of teas out there that I didn't even know. So, I do have the variety coming to me, but this time I did kind of specify because I realized that I don't like the flowery tasting teas, so I changed it up a bit, but anyways, let's get into this box. Alright, so I have a cranberry rooibos sips by Cedar Bose. Okay, this one is caffeine free. This naturally caffeine free antioxidant rich rooibos tea combines the tart sweetness of cranberries with the rich aroma of rooibos for a fruity and delightful drink. Okay, yeah. So let's find that. I think that's this. So it's in a clear package where you can actually see the bag. Just has the little tag. And generally there are 4 of each kind. So let's see. Like, so for next month, I opted for just getting the bags instead of getting any loose leaf because I just realized that we just don't really reach for the loose leaf. And, okay, it did come with 4. But to me, the ones that are already in the little bags, they just seem to taste better. Like the ones that are loose leaf, like they smell amazing. And I want to love them. But then once I make them, they're not what you think they're gonna be. In my opinion. Alright, so what's next? Coconut mango oolong. It's an oolong tea with orange peel, natural pineapple, coconut flavor, natural mango flavor. See, that sounds really good. But I may end up not liking it. Like, a lot of them just sound amazing and I just I don't know. It contains caffeine. It's a rich mango and fresh sweet coconut flavor in this oolong tea. Bring to mind a day at the beach. Enjoy hot or iced. Okay. Stash. Yes. Okay, so it is these. And it did come with 4. So here's what that looks like. And there's generally 4 of 4 different types of teas. Unless it's a loose leaf, then it's just one packaging. But alright, so here's one that's single. So let's see what this is. Nepali breakfast, black tea and spices. Okay, it says it's high in caffeine and says start the day the Nepalese way. Sorry if I'm butchering these words. with this unique organic masala chaya featuring a delicious homemade masala chai mix. Brew with milk and or sugar for enhanced taste. So I know from like Walmart, just my normal Walmart, I love the vanilla chai tea from Earl Grey. I really like that, so I probably will like this, but I'm kind of wondering why. It's probably, I think it's a loose leaf. Once you open it, it feels loosely packed in there, so. Okay, so this one is Seaside Citrus Caffeinated Green Tea. So there's that. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. And then here's what it looks like. And you can see everything in there, and it just seems really pleasant, and like I want to love it, but sometimes I just don't. Alright, and this one says low caffeine. This blend smells like the perfect combination of strawberry, grapefruit, and lemon. Oh, I love grapefruit. In one refreshing glass. Not too sweet or tart. It might become your summer must-have blend. Might be. I love grapefruit. But, again, I don't know. I'm just not a loose leaf tea lover. I don't know what it is that they do with these that makes them taste better. I don't know. Maybe you guys can let me know. Why do the pre-bagged ones taste better than the loose leaf? What am I doing wrong? Anyways, so that's all of the teas I got. But with this subscription, I really love that they provide the extra throwaway tea bags for the loose leaves, because I wouldn't have had it, and I wouldn't have known what to do with it if they hadn't provided them from the beginning. These are the throwaway, like reuse. Yeah, those are the throwaways. But this bag itself is a reusable tea bag. So each time I get a bag of these. So. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that, I messed up my phone, which I'm on my new phone right now. I messed up my old phone because I was walking into my house and I dropped it, and, I mean, I've dropped it several times, but this time, finally, it just happened to fall directly on a rock, just perfect to... I even had a screen protector on there and everything, but it busted the screen, not the protector. The protector was fine, but the screen and everything was messed up. So I used it that way for a little while, and then yesterday I squished it a tiny itty bit, and it put out my entire screen. So I had to get a new one. So I did cancel my teabox.ca. So this is my only tea subscription now. Just to kind of back off of my spending a little bit. I'm a little more attached to everything else, so that was the only one that like I said, my tea box was the loose leaf, so I let that one go. It was a really good deal. But I'm moving on. So let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'm doing something wrong with the loose leaves. But thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.